Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Mustafa and today I'm here with another video. In this video I just want to talk about another story in our main book for the story about animal story. And we know animals can be grouped in two groups, but the first we said domestic animal and wild animals. So the difference is domestic animals, the animals that you can keep at home, keep in a house like that, just a house you can keep in a house, and we use also for buying them. And just like domestic animals like such as dog, cow, and what else, cow, goat, sheep. So we have those ones, camels also. And we have also wild animals, but they can't be kept at home, that they live in the forest.
After all these years.
Okay, so then we have another group of invertebrates, and we have vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals with a backbone, invertebrates opposite, without having any backbones. So usually most of the animals they have a backbone, but except the insects. So invertebrates are the animals with backbone, that's totally insects, as we know. So most of the insects they don't have it. And animals, the vertebrate animals, they can be grouped in five, that which is mammal, mammal and amphibians, reptile, birds, fish. Okay, so we know mammal is the animals that can give only birth, the animals that which gives birth, such as lion and giraffe, dog, puppy, not alligator, I mean cow, sheep, goat. We have several like that. So we just looked at the last time we looked at unit 3, but today we want us to cover unit 4. So unit 4, the topic is about planting crops. So this is our unit. We start, and I'll start by reading this first paragraph. Okay, in this story it was a man, and as we said, there was one man who was mentioned. So the main man who was mentioned in this story was only Jimmy, and we have some other animals, wild animals were mentioned, but not domestic. Okay, in this story it was a man, his name was Jimmy. While he woke up, he decided to plant. So it's good for planting, because you get as food some fruits there. You can block some fruits there, so it gives us food. We know plants. So we have plants. All the plants are not green, but most of them are green. So the other plants that is not green is called non-green plant, isn't so? So non-green plants. So we have green plant and non-green plant. Non-green plants, some plants look like red. We have in different colors, but they have diseases. Like we have mushrooms, fungi, they have bacteria. The non-green plant, penicillium, we have those ones. Okay, he wanted to create a plant. He decided to plant. For that, he wants to grow a tree. To create how we can plant is we use which loam soil is the soil that can is easy for you to plant for farming. Okay, so that your plant can grow, as we say. He advised the elephant to advise other animals. So elephant is the one who will advise other animals. So advise the animal about planting. So the elephant advised other animals, creatures, advised that today they should plant. So therefore, Jimmy told the elephant that he's going to somewhere. So as you're planting. So while Jimmy was absent, he was away. Maybe he should. So the animals should be planted. So it will take many days for your trees to grow, isn't so? While Jimmy left the lion and the zebra, began to collect the manures. So we also use manure for you to plant. Manure is the waste of the animals, as we know, the waste of the animal. So it's called manure now. So we can also use manure or loam soil. Is for easy for you to plant manure to plant the, and they realize that it will take many days. So I will mention the days after that. While the Jimmy completed planting, the elephant ordered them to swim at the lake as the man he was away. Uh, and then when Jimmy came back, he asked the elephant, "Have you planted with the other animals?" So he replied, "Yes, we planted." Yes. Um, so reply means that you are answering. Okay. Jimmy advised the elephant every day they should be planting, except, or every day they should plant, but except Monday and Wednesday. So Monday is the first day of the week, and Wednesday is the third day of the week. So Monday and Wednesday they should not plant, but other days that's their job, so that our crop grows. Next day, when Jimmy woke up early in the morning by the sunrise, he called the elephant. So Jimmy himself, he woke up, he called the elephant and the lion to water the crops.
Okay, time to suit up.
So watering other plants, we use the water for you to plant for having any crop like or tree. So this one means crop. So they want to create a crop. So we have two types of crop. Cash crops is the crop that's for selling, and we have also food crop. Okay, so the creatures were watering. Okay, so the creatures they were watering with Jimmy. So by the time they were watering, Jimmy was also watering the crop. So that's the end of our story today. And now next lesson we will see what we're going to do, and I think we go for the next unit. So see you in the next episode.
Peer pressure in here is normal.